Hey dear, ready to take your business to the next level? Most businesses fail online because they ignore the right marketing strategies. But yours doesn't have to. In today's world, digital marketing isn't optional anymore. It's the backbone of every successful business. First, search engine optimization. The right keywords help your business appear when customers are searching. Next, YouTube SEO. Use Tataria Pro techniques. Optimize titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. These tricks help your videos rank higher and reach the right audience. Second, social media marketing. It's where your audience lives, and where your brand can build trust. Third, paid advertising. With targeted ads, you can reach the right people at the right time. Fourth, content marketing. Valuable content doesn't just attract people, it converts them into customers. Finally, email marketing. Personalized emails and hidden strategies can boost your engagement and sales. These small secrets make a big difference. Want to grow your business with proven digital marketing strategies? Check the description below for all the details. Your digital success starts today. Rocket!